Welcome. Welcome to Fa Ahmad Arabic class. Continue to spoken Arabic series. This is lesson number 14. And I hope you might have watched video video from 1 to 13. And in this lesson number 14, we will learn adjectives. And before I begin, I would like to inform you if anyone wants to read, write Arabic, please visit my channel, Fa Ahmad Arabic class, and get all videos in playlist. Okay, on reading and writing. Anyone can be master how to read and how to write Arabic. And also I would like to inform you if anyone wants to start speaking Arabic, please visit my channel, Fa Ahmad Arabic class, and get all videos in playlist with name of Spoken Arabic series. So let's begin. This is lesson number 14. And also I would like to please like and share and subscribe my channel, Fa Ahmad Arabic class. Let's begin. So first we read all common adjectives and then we will use in sentence. Okay. So first write common adjectives. See. Common adjectives I write here. See. See adjectives, right? So adjectives, first I write here. First I write here big. Is a big. Big means kabir. Number two, small. Small means sagir. Okay, sagir. Number three, new. So common adjectives, new. New is jadid. Number four is old. You can say gadim, old. And number five, you can say is something is cheap. Okay, cheap. Rakhis. Rakhis. Number five, number six, you can say expensive. Expensive. Expensive means ghali. Ghali. Seven, you can say cold is okay, hot. Hot. Har. And nine, you can say is cold. Cold. And cold is barid. Barid. Okay. Barid. Okay. So let's see example. Then I will write rest of the adjectives. Okay. So first we will use in sentence 1 to 9 adjectives. Okay, simple. And suppose here is big, right? Suppose the house is big. The house is big. You can say first write big house. Big house. Big house. Big house, or say big house. Bait kabir. Bait kabir. Okay, big house. Bait kabir. Okay, now example. Example in sentence. The house is big. The house is big. Okay, the house is big. You can say al bait kabir. Al bait kabir. Okay, now second example. Second example, small, sagir. Okay, I write sagir, S-A, sorry, S-A. Here is, 1 minute, sagir. 1 minute, sagir, sagir. Here is S-A, sagir. Okay, yes. So, small, small, small office. Okay, small office is maktab sagir, maktab sagir. Example, the office is small. The office is, the office is, the office is small. Okay, so al maktab, al maktab sagir, al maktab sagir, al maktab sagir. The office is small. Al maktab sagir. Okay, now next example, new, new, right? New, new. Suppose a new car, new car. New car is Sierra, Sierra Jadida. Why Jadida? Because Sierra word is feminine, so add here age. Okay, Jadid and add age, Jadida. Okay, so new car Sierra Jadida, because here is age. So here you can also add age. Okay, Sierra Jadida, Sierra Jadida. So the car is new. You can say Sierra Jadida, Sierra Jadida. So you can say, suppose this is new car. This is new car, right? So you can say Hadi. Hadi means this for feminine. Hadi Sierra Jadida. Hadi Sierra Jadida. Hadi Sierra Jadida. This is a new car. Okay. Next example is old, right? Old, Gadim. Old, Gadim. Okay, Gadim. Suppose Gadim, so house and bait. Okay, suppose a restaurant, 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 and you can say old restaurant, old restaurant. So old restaurant you can say is mat'am, mat'am gadim, mat'am gadim. Okay, old restaurant. Okay, and suppose this is old restaurant, this is old restaurant, rest rest to restaurant, this is old, sorry, restaurant, this is old restaurant. Okay, this is old restaurant. You can say hada, hada, because restaurant word is masculine. Hada mat'am, hada mat'am gadi, hada mat'am gadi. This is old restaurant. Okay, now next, cheap, cheap. Okay, cheap. Suppose simple, cheap, cheap. Okay, suppose a shirt. What is the shirt word is kameez, right? Shirt. This shirt is cheap. This shirt is cheap. Okay, we can say hada. Okay, I can say cheap shirt, right? Cheap shirt. Okay, kameez, kameez, shirt, kameez. Okay, kameez. So you can say kameez rakhis, kameez rakhis, kameez rakhis. Okay, kameez rakhis. So this is cheap shirt in sentence. This is cheap shirt. This is cheap shirt. You can say هذا قميص رخيص. هذا قميص رخيص. هذا قميص رخيص. This is cheap shirt. Okay. Costly, expensive. Suppose expensive. Suppose expensive mobile. Mobile is jawal. Expensive mobile. Expensive mobile. So you can say jawal ghali. Jawal ghali. Jawal ghali. And this is expensive mobile. You can say hada jawal ghali. Hada jawal ghali. This is expensive mobile. Hot is hard. Okay. Suppose hot tea. Okay. You can say shy har. Okay. Suppose you can say the tea is hot. You can say the tea is hot. You can say al shy, because the is al shy har. The tea is hot. Al shy har. Okay. Next word. Next adjective is cold, right? Suppose cold water. Okay, so you can say my barid. Okay, this is cold water. Sentence. This is cold. This is cold water. This is cold water. This is cold water. Hada my barid. That okay. Simple sentence. Now write rest of the common adjectives. So continue is 9 and 10. 10. Okay. Suppose is busy. Mashgul. Busy. So busy is mashgul. 10, 11. Okay. Ready. Ready means jahiz. And 12. 12 you can say is a suppose is a hungry. Okay, hungry. Jawan. 13. Thirsty. Atshan. Okay, 14. Okay, angry. So angry is zalan. And 15. So 15 is happy. Farhan. Okay, and 60 is sad, hazin, and 70 is tired. Okay, tired is taban, and one more is suppose sick. Okay, sick, marid. Okay, so these are common adjectives. Okay, let's see example. Number 1, mashgul. Suppose busy. I am busy. And say ana mashgul. I am busy. Ana mashgul. Right? Ana mashgul. I am busy. Okay. Next is ready. Suppose you are ready. you are ready. You can say anta jahiz. Anta jahiz. Or you can say I am not ready. I am not ready. I am not ready. You can say ana mafi jahiz. Ana mafi jahiz. Done. Okay. Next word is hungry. Okay. He is hungry. He is hungry. So he is hungry. You can say huwa jaw'an. Huwa jaw'an. He is hungry. Okay. And suppose I am thirsty. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. Okay. Ana atshan. Ana atshan. I am thirsty. Right? Thirsty. Now angry. Boss is angry. Boss, right? Boss is angry. Mudir, right? Mudir zalan. Mudir zalan. Or you can say arbab also. Arbab, arbab zalan. Arbab zalan is angry. Okay. And happy. 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 The boy is happy. The boy is happy. Okay. Al walad. Al walad farhan. Al walad farhan. Al walad farhan. The boy is happy. I am happy. I am happy. Ana farhan. Ana farhan. Okay. Done. Good. Okay. Now next is sad. Sad is hazin. Hazin. Okay. A child. The child is sad. Al-tifil. Child is al-tifil. Al-tifil. Al-tifil hazin. Al-tifil hazin. Okay. Next. Tired. The worker. And labor. The worker is tired. The worker is tired. You can say al-amil. Yeah, just say amil. In spoken, you can use without al. Amil is worker, right? Worker. Amil taban. Amil taban. So the worker is tired. Amil taban. Okay. Sick. Sick. The driver. The driver. The driver is sick. The driver is sick today. Okay. You can say sawak. Sawak. Marid. اليوم. اليوم. Sawak marid اليوم. The driver is sick today. Sorry. The driver is sick today. Sawak marid اليوم. Okay. Yeah. So these are common adjectives. Okay. We learned from 1 to 18 adjectives, and we used in sentence. Okay. So I hope you might have enjoyed and you might have understood. Okay. And you can practice and keep practicing. We'll see you in next class with new lesson. Okay. And I would like to request you, please like, share, and subscribe my channel, Fa Ahmad Arabic class. Okay. We'll see you in next class. Thanks for watching. Ma'assalama. Bye. Ma'assalam.